Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back today with another project for you. For today's tutorial, we're making an organizer for our makeup brushes. This holder has pockets in the bottom for your brushes, rolls up and ties, and has a little flap that closes over the top for our makeup brushes. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out the blog at debsdays.com for many more sewing and crafting projects. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, and color photos. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern, or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need a main fabric, a lining fabric, an optional template to make rounded corners, and you'll need something to tie it up with, like a ribbon or some kind of cording. First, check out the measurements in the pattern to make sure you're making the right size before you cut your fabric. Place the lining fabric with the right side of the fabric facing up. Place the main fabric on top with the right side of the fabric facing down. Align all the edges and use fabric clips or pins to hold it all in place. Use the corner template to trim off the two top corners and make rounded edges. Then stitch all around the piece using a 1/4-inch seam allowance, leaving a space open for turning. Clip the corners and notch the curves. Turn the entire piece right side out. Fold the opening under and press it. Top stitch around the entire piece about 1/8 of an inch from the fabric's edge. With the lining on the inside, fold the bottom edge up about 4 inches to form a big pocket. Press the crease and use fabric clips or pins to hold the pocket in place. Secure the pocket to the holder by stitching the sides down over the previous top stitching, and stitch across the bottom of the pocket about 1/8 of an inch from the edge. Use a ruler and marking pencil to make vertical lines for the compartments. Use your own brushes to determine the width best for your specific needs, but be generous with your compartment sizes to reduce puckering in the fabric. Stitch over the top of each of the marked lines to make the compartments in the pocket, and shorten your stitch length when you're back tacking at the beginning and end to provide some additional security. With the lining still on the inside, fold the top edge down about 3 inches and press that crease and hold it in place with fabric clips or pins. Then top stitch about 1/8 of an inch from the crease across the top of the holder. Mark the midpoint on the right side of the holder on the back. Fold the ribbon or cording in half and place the folded crease on the marking and stitch it securely in place. Place your brushes inside the compartments, roll it up, and tie it up. And just like that, just that fast, you have a makeup brush organizer for our makeup brushes. If you'd like to see more quick and easy sewing projects like this one, check out some of my other video tutorials. See you next time with another project.